another appearance, this time in an ODI contest. Abrar is back and he liked the conditions here. The pitch is supposed to spin. We're on for this. And gets going with a cracking cover drive. Well, that's an excellent way to stamp your authority on the opposition in the game. Slow ball lifted effortlessly for 4. Just a chip over the infield. Oh, that is smashed. Absolutely nailed down the ground for 4, showing his brilliance through that drive. Yeah, that's well struck for 4. Sweep shot attempted and pulled it off straight away. That came smack off the middle of the blade. Edge, nobody there to catch it. For 4 it goes. Hard slash. There's a drive, and it's a gorgeous drive. Really is copybook elegance. Classical shot. Square drive, gets it past point for 4. This really is a selfie moment. Really is a cracking shot.
That's in the air, into the gap, went all the way for a 6. That is hit and a half.
How's that for a strike? Quinton de Kock with a huge 6 to his name so far.
Down the pitch, is screwed up and taken. Just as we were praising Pretorius in this opening burst, Babar Azam came in the way, took a very good catch. And so breakthrough has been achieved.
Yeah, just lost his grip on his handle and lost the power that he was after. He goes for 39, SA 72 for 1.
Another Proteus batsman who's shaped up so well on this tour. Oh, beautifully lifted over the infield for 4. That is a classic shot. And gone at cover. Pushing it uppishly straight to Shine Shah Afridi. Salman Ali Agha tastes success once again.
Yeah, faced a string of 11 dots did Tony de Zorzi, and he felt something was coming. And unfortunately, sees the back of him. He goes for 2, 87 for 2.
Matthew Bretsky, 9 matches, is the captain, 450s, 100.
Reverse will help. Does it have the placement? Much needed boundary. And once again runs for the experienced campaigner in Quinton de Kock. His 32nd 50 in one-day international cricket. Big swing as he trapped in front. That is spot on from Nawaz, and that is a huge wicket in the context of the game. It is the wicket of Quinton de Kock.
Mohammad Nawaz with the flatter, quicker one. Quinton de Kock trying to go square. Yeah. It's only looking for trouble. And the umpire obliges. Well, that's the end of Quinton de Kock. Another magnificent innings. South Africa 106 for 3.
In at number 5 for South Africa, Ruben Herman. Pulled him! Absolutely brilliant from Abrar. He strikes as well.
Yeah, Abrar slowing the speed right up. And that's because it's the Google. It wasn't picked. And bullseye. Well, Ruben, he goes for a brief stay. South Africa 109 for 4.
Donovan Ferreira now joins as ODI skipper in the middle. Hit hard. Should pick up a couple, if not more. A fancy footwork, but in vain. Pulled him! Cleaned him around his legs. This is phenomenal stuff from Abrar, and he's really charged up. Pakistan have half the side of South Africa in the dugout.
Yeah, it's been brilliant in terms of his control. We knew he's going to bring those stumps into play, but too inexpensive option by Donovan Ferreira early in his innings. Ferreira goes for 7.
Corbin Bosch makes himself into the middle to face the music. Guess what? Through the defenses, Abrar strikes 2 in a row.
Abrar, he has the ability to get the one to skid. Yeah, it was the one that come out the front of the hand. And he catches Corbin Bosch, all ends up in no position to make contact with the willow. Only willow it made contact was the off stump.
Beyond 14 will take strike.
Oh, he's done. Yeah, it's the slow death. Finger is raised and he's got to walk away.
Yeah, it was the trajectory from the left armer and wiggle batsman over there thought it was a short delivery, wasn't. And he's been trapped leg before. 122 for 7 South Africa.
Nabe Omzi Peter. Oh, the wrong and not picked inside edge, and the ball will go and hit the fence. Oh, that's the beauty. They've gone up. Umpire is not moved. He says not out. What are you talking about? Rizwan says it's out, so they're going for a review.
Ball's close to the bat. Can we go to ultra edge when ready, please? Yeah, can we just freeze it there, please? There's a clear spike as the ball is next to the bat now.
Yeah, the ultra edge there, wiping out the fight of Britsky.
Bowled him! Knocks him over, does the captain. South Africa now 9 down.
Well, beaten all ends up. We've seen a hint of reverse swing away from the right-hander on that occasion. Angle gets him. He goes for 16. South Africa 143 for 9.
Cleans him up. 2 and 2 for the Pakistan captain. That is the end of South Africa. 143 all out in 37.5 overs. A job extremely well done with the ball in the first half by Pakistan.
Using the reverse swinging ball to great effect. What a sight that is for any fast bowler. Seeing the bells light up. And yes, the people of Faisalabad are excited because we are at the 3rd ODI, the finale.
After runs up the order, another half century to Quinton de Kock, 53, the top scorer for South Africa. Not the scorecard the South Africans would have liked. 143 all out and just 37.5 overs.
Career best figures for Abrar, all for 27 in these allotted 10 overs. Really dominated by spin today. Mohammad Nawaz getting double as well, and Shaheen Shah Afridi cleaning up the back end of the innings.
Pakistan requiring 144 to clinch the series. Here we go, Pakistan required 144. Cleans him up! Nandre Berger picks up where he left off. South Africa draw first blood.
Huge gate left between bat and pad, and that was more than enough for the left armer to strike. And that's what they're looking for. Game is on. Pakistan none for 1.
Fakhar Zaman goes for a duck and in walks Babar Azam. Great start. Great drive. Good timing as well. Saim picks up 4 to start his innings. Squares him up marginally, but a thick outside edge will get